Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we're going to hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. And let go of the power button when you see the Sony logo. Keep holding volume down. And as you can see, this redirects us to the recovery mode. Now here we have several options like reboot system now, the first one. Before I actually go over them, I want to mention you can navigate through these using your volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So your reboot system now takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader does absolutely nothing, or as much as the reboot system now. Enter fastboot mode. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, relax, run tests, and power off. Anyway, I'm gonna select the first one, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will now just reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.